Good morning, my name is Paul Hine. I'm the Senior Facilities Officer at the heart of Worcestershire College at Worcester. I'm here this morning to demonstrate on how to use the fogging machines, as you can see in front of me. The fogging machine has come in the bag. Contained in the bag are spare parts, the fogging tool, the battery charger, the battery, the fogging machine, and the disinfectant that goes inside the water bottle is bright water. This is the disinfectant. It's environmentally friendly. It is human, plant and animal safe. The fogging machine is battery operated. This is the battery. The charger gets plugged into the wall, normal socket. The battery slides into the charger. Make sure you've got the exposed copper works, slide into the charger and clicks in. This side and this side are indicators of how full the batteries are. This side is green. If the green is lit, then it's fully charged. This side on the red tells you that it's still charging and how long to go. There's a button at the back of the battery. You push that in and slide it out. The battery then fits into the fogging machine exactly the same way. You'll see the gap at the back, slides in and clicks into place. This is your fogging machine. This is your water bottle. This is the squirty end where everything comes out of. There's 3 settings. Make sure the setting is turned on to the red one, which is the widest setting. To alter that, you just turn the nozzle at the end, but make sure it's on the red one because that gives the finest spray. Turning around, that is your grip. This here is your lock for the water bottle. Moving to the back, your on and off switch is there. This here is your trigger and your trigger lock, and the silver ring there is your water bottle release pull. That is as simple as that. To release the water bottle, to fill it, you unlock by turning the dial. You pull the ring and it will slide out. This is the water nozzle which will suck the fluid up into the fogger. So this is your water bottle. That's your bright water. The easiest way to put the bottle back onto the fogger is to sit it on the table, put the pipe in, and it just locks on and you'll hear it click. Turn the lock. So that is now fully prepared and ready to go. To operate the fogger, switch it on, slide the switch forward, press the trigger, make sure you're away from anybody in direct line, squeeze the trigger. When you first use it, give it a couple of seconds for the liquid to pump up into the fogger. And that is all there is to it. When you're using the fogger to walk into a room, start on the door, the handle, and where you place your hand. And don't forget there's 2 sides of the door, so do front and back. Then if you move to the rear of the room, hold the grip, 2 hands, point it in the direction where you want to fog. When you're ready to start at the rear of the room, move around, spraying and walk backwards. Keep the gun, as you can see I'm doing, chest height. Don't point it into the air, don't point it to the floor, keep it at chest height. And just move around and do the area in front of you, moving backwards, doing all the areas you require. When you're fogging in a room where there's electrical equipment or IT equipment, it is safe to fog the room. Fog the equipment at a distance. Do not point the fogger directly at the equipment and saturate it. There is a risk assessment available on the portal for the use of the fogging machines, and there is also a fact sheet available if required. If you need any further information, please contact a member of the facilities team who will be pleased to assist you. Thank you.